Dad, can you play with me?
Not right now, Alex. Daddy's very busy with some important work.
But you're always busy, Dad. You never have time to play with me.
I know, son, and I'm sorry about that. But Daddy has a lot of responsibilities at work, and I need to focus on them.
Okay, Dad.
You are a good boy. You play here and don't disturb me.
Dad, can I ask you something?
Of course, Alex. What is it?
How much money do you make in an hour?
Why are you asking these kind of questions?
Please tell me, Dad, how much do you earn in an hour?
I don't know what do you do by knowing these things. Well, it varies, but on average, I earn around $20 in an hour.
Okay, I see.
What's on your mind, Alex?
Dad, I've been saving up my allowance, and I've collected $20. I want to give it to you.
Give it to me? Why?
Because I want to buy your time, Dad. I want to pay you $20 to spend an hour playing with me, just like you said you earn $20 an hour.
Oh, Alex, I'm so sorry. I didn't realize how much you needed me to be there for you. I've been so caught up in my work that I've neglected the most important thing in my life with you.
It's okay, Dad. I just want to spend time with you.
No, it's not okay, Alex. You deserve better than this. You deserve a father who's there for you, who listens to you, who plays with you. And from now on, that's exactly the kind of father I'm going to be.
Thank you, Dad. I just need to talk and play with you every day, but you don't talk much or play with me, which I don't like. If you at least talk with me, I feel much happy with this.
I promise, Alex. I promise to make time for you, no matter how busy I am. You're the most important thing in my life, and I'll never forget that again.
Sure, Dad. I am feeling more happy now. I love you, Dad.
I love you too, Alex. More than anything in this world.